Hey bin store owners and liquidation resellers. Are you tired of the endless sales roller coaster? One week you're crushing it. The next you're wondering where all the customers went. If you're ready to get off that ride and build a business with consistent, explosive growth, then you need to listen up. It's about consistently focusing on 3 key areas that act as a powerful growth engine for your business. I'm going to break them down for you right now, so you can stop guessing and start growing. First, let's talk about demand generation. So many resellers fall into the trap of being reactive. They wait for good deals to fall into their lap. But the top players? They are proactive. They are actively hunting for new liquidation pallets and truckloads. They have relationships with suppliers from major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. They're not just buying inventory. And once they have it, they don't just put it on the shelf. They build hype. They run local ads to let everyone in their area know about the amazing finds dropping this week. The goal is to get potential customers aware, excited, and literally counting down the days until they can come and dig through your bins. You want to create a constant buzz that makes your store the go-to spot for treasure hunters. Generating all that demand is useless if you can't turn that excitement into actual cash in your pocket. This is where you need to get strategic. If you're selling online, you need to optimize your listings on platforms like Amazon or eBay. This means more than just a blurry photo and a one-line description. We're talking high-quality, well-lit pictures from multiple angles. We're talking compelling, detailed descriptions that highlight the value and condition of the item. For your physical bin store, think about the customer experience. Are your bins organized? Is the checkout process fast and smooth? A long, frustrating line can kill the thrill of the find. And here's a pro tip. Create irresistible bundle deals. Group related items together or offer a fill-a-bag for a flat price promotion. This increases your average order value and helps you move inventory faster. The goal here is simple. Make it as easy and appealing as possible for a curious browser to become a paying customer. And that brings us to our third and arguably most important pillar, customer success. Your job isn't done when the cash register rings. The most successful businesses know that the real money is in repeat customers. You want to turn first-time buyers into loyal, raving fans who not only come back again and again but also bring their friends. How do you do that? It starts with providing exceptional customer service. Be friendly, be helpful, and make them feel valued. A little can go a long way. A simple thank you note can also make a huge impression. And don't be shy about asking for feedback. This positive word of mouth is marketing gold. When you create a community of happy customers, they become your best salespeople. So there you have it. Demand generation, sales conversion, and customer success. These aren't just business buzzwords. They are the 3 fundamental pillars you need to build your weekly and monthly plans around. Stop treating your business like a hobby where you just wing it. Start integrating these 3 areas into everything you do. When you master this cycle, you'll finally get off the sales roller coaster and achieve the stable, predictable, and explosive growth you've been working for. If you want to dive deeper and get a step-by-step plan to implement these strategies in your own liquidation business, I've put together a special resource just for you. To get it, just comment the word FREEGUIDE down below, and we'll send you our free guide on optimizing your liquidation resale business. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you crush your goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.